brush your lash extensions, and I do recommend grooming them because your natural lashes are growing and you're sleeping and just other things that are involved. So keeping them groomed, keeping them intact, using a brush that is very soft, that is going to just help them to be in the right direction. If you have natural lashes that kind of go all over the place, the extensions that those natural lashes are attached to, they can tend to go in alternate directions as well. So grooming them and just keeping them intact is recommended. You're brushing your hair, you're combing your hair, so grooming your lashes is something that I do recommend doing, but using a soft brush is what I would recommend. And then just being careful, not brushing them really hard, and when you're brushing, not really going to the root so much where you're raking through them. Just gently brushing them is really all you need to do, and you can do them from the underside and from the top as well.